Alright, we gotta drive out of here. Let's get off to work. Go make some of this money. Oh! What's up, guys? Just realized I was recording. Nah, I'm just kidding. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. I'm Johnny Rodriguez. If you're new here, you can go ahead and click that subscribe button right away. If you like the content, of course. I know you will. You got to. There's no way not to. And hit that like button so we can get that algorithm working, man. Help my channel get up there in the sky. You could probably barely see me right now. I might have to be playing with lighting in the old Premiere Pro to get this video to be visual. I don't know. We'll see how it looks when I see it while I'm editing. So it was a pretty good day. Pretty good day yesterday. I'm on my way to work, as you guys can see, but it seems like Chevy released my new car. That's right, it got unveiled yesterday, guys. The new Chevy C8 Z06. I'm blown away by what Chevy has done to this vehicle, guys. It is amazing. They really put in some man hours and some engineering minds together to get this car to perform, look, and sound amazing. Big ups to, I forget that girl's name. We'll show it in the clips here. You guys will see it too. Her name that did the sound and vibrations to get that car to sound the way it does. Man, big ups to that team. So we're gonna go to a couple of these clips of this showing. I know you guys have seen it, but I'm gonna let you know my reactions to each section of this this amazing release video that they did on this car. So we'll be back.
That actually rode and felt like a race car. That precision, to me, that was everything.
This is the one that elevates the Corvette brand.
Saying that it felt like a supercar doesn't do it justice.
Look at Amelia. She's lucky as hell right there, man. Look at that. Look at Booker. Look at Booker.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
The other people that purchase
You guys
that are in a price range that is unique to
like
themselves
at this price point, guys.
this is the one that changes how they
At this price point, listen, this price point, I can't get over the colors they use, mid-engine at this price, that performance at this price, guys. I'm blown away. Like what they're offering, and they literally look at this. Look at this.
A niche following that really pined for the immediate response, the lightweight, visceral feel of a naturally aspirated engine that would exceed the horsepower of the prior generation supercharged Z06.
Listen, this engine is no joke, man. 670 horsepower out of a naturally aspirated 5.5 liter flat plane crank V8. That is just nuts. Look at this, 670. 0 to 60 in like 2.6 seconds if you get the Z06, Z07 package. This car is just, it blows me away, man. I'm so excited to get this car. Oh man, that sound. It doesn't sound, I mean, everybody's like, oh, it sounds Ferrari-like. You know, I compared some videos. You know, I was watching Ferrari because I thought, hey, it's gonna sound just like a Ferrari, but Ferrari has that, what, 3.9 liter high revving V8 flat plane like that. So this is 5.5 liters. Even though it's a flat plane, I don't know, man. It's real close V12-ish kind of sound. It's not far off. When Amelia did her video, and they were doing revving, if you watch her video, here's a performance of it. They added so many performance aspects. I mean, it's like, I think it's like 3 inches wider overall or something like that. This girl got lucky, man. She got so lucky. I wish I could be there checking it out like that. Good for her, though. She's gotten popular, so definitely worth it for her. Definitely worth it. This is when they dynoed it. She got the first reveal. If you checked out her video, here, she got to do a lot. So that was pretty awesome of Chevy to invite her and Booker to check it out. They're just big fans of the car, so you know, they got selected. I mean, these people use like lightweight forged titanium pistons or something. I don't know what they do. He talks about it here, but guys, I know a lot of you have already seen this, so I won't bore you with too much of it. But and yes, we're watching it in the car, guys. As I drive to work, we're watching this in the car as I drive to work because I'm nuts about it right now. I've seen it a few times. I want to learn as much as I can about this car that I'm buying, so I definitely know what's going on with this car. This is my first Chevy I've ever owned. I've never owned a single Chevy. I never bought a Chevy before. I've never been a fan of their cars. I've never thought the Corvette was an ugly car, but I've always thought it's just like it was still a Chevy. At the end of the day, you get in it, even all the way up to the C7, you get in it and you're like, this is Chevy. You know what I mean? You can see the quality wasn't there yet in the C7. They did a great job with the body style, I think. The C7 looks great. C6 looks great. Those cars are not ugly. I don't think the C5 looks bad. These cars, they look good, but inside of it, you can see that it's cheap buttons, cheap radio, you know, cheap screens, dials, the window switches, all that stuff. It was Chevy. And now, when you get in the interior of this car, it blows me away. I'm almost like, this is a Chevy? Totally different reaction when you get in this car. I know there's plenty of haters on this vehicle, and that's a good thing. That has to happen. There's always going to be haters on every vehicle. I mean, there's people who think Lamborghinis are ugly. There's people who think Ferraris are ugly. I mean, there's people who blow my mind, think Paganis are ugly. One of the most beautiful cars in the world. Such an artistic marvel with those cars. It's amazing what they do with them. People think I'm ugly, so they think they're ugly. You know, it is what it is. It's going to happen. I definitely don't think this car is ugly. And I definitely think Chevy, basically, as they say in a lot of this performance,
that speed enables the engine to pump more air.
Right there, that's what he's talking about this engineering they did for that flat plane 5.5 liter.
To balance the requirements to make a car fast and comfortable on the track.
Yeah, these guys.
And also comfortable as an everyday.
Looks great
driver.
in that red mist, guys. Look at that. You know, I've seen that color one time in person. It wasn't comboed with that tan interior like that. It had a black interior, and it didn't work out. But with that tan interior, it definitely looks a lot better. And I think they have like a luxury option of the car. I'm not sure who's going to get a luxury option of the Z06. Big ups to whoever orders like that. I mean, that's usually how you order the C8, maybe the regular Stingray. They have a luxury option, and I guess you can get like all like interior all one color or something like that with the roof all suede and stuff. I most likely will be ordering a Z07 package because I want the carbon fiber wheels. Did you guys see this? Carbon fiber wheels, carbon fiber big wing spoiler, ceramic brakes come in this package. You can upgrade to the interior carbon fiber. Now the C8 Stingray had a carbon fiber option, and it was just a few pieces. It really wasn't like overwhelming. But with the Z07 package, you can upgrade to get like the steering wheel, all the center consoles, carbon fiber, more on the doors. I think on the dash part up here, like they really added it up. So guys, let me know what you think in the comments below about the new C8 Z06. I am 100% getting myself one. There's no way I'm not getting one. And I cannot wait. I still can't decide on the color of this thing. This car is just going to turn out absolutely amazing. And I know there's going to be a lot out there. I'm tempted to just do like an all murdered out one and not go colorful. And kind of just, if I want to change colors, maybe just do wraps and things like that, just to be cool. Either way, I'm going to get the most content I can for you guys. I'm pretty low on the list at the dealership I'm getting one at, guys. So the good news there is I can probably get it early, which is nice. So I will be able to get content out to you guys, so it'll be good. It's going to be really good to get content out to you guys early. Try to be one of the first to get it straight piped, because you know that thing straight piped is going to sound amazing. Yeah, it's going to sound absolutely amazing. I cannot wait to hear this thing in person. Oh, I'm so excited, guys. Anyways, I appreciate you. Make sure you subscribe, 100% subscribe. tune in because, man, I got a nice video coming for you guys after this one. You're gonna absolutely love it. So do not miss out, guys, because we're gonna have a lot of fun here, a lot of fun, and I hope you guys join me, man. Subscribe. I'll see you. I'm out.
I think this is the perfect example of blending clinical perfection and also the rawness of the flat plane crank provided.
Flat plane crank is a simple.